Hey, this is Andy from INKXPRO. This video I'm going to show you how to use the refillable cartridges for sublimation printing. And if you order the 252 refillable cartridge refill kit from us, and you will receive the cartridges and also the sublimation ink and the syringes with needle. And you also will receive the sublimation quick reference guide and also the instruction for how to use the cartridge. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to refill the cartridge and do the purging. And okay, I'm going to use this cartridge and to fill it and to purge it and install it. Here's the sublimation ink. You punch a hole through here and take probably around 9 to 10 milliliters ink. Hit the filling hole and put the syringe. I'm going to turn it over here like this. The cartridge can hold in about like 12 milliliters ink. Okay, so you close it here, and now you need to purge the cartridges like this. You punch a hole through here, and then you just remove the air from the nozzle. Okay, you get a little bit ink here, and you can put it back into the bottle. Alright, okay, actually I have all the cartridge pre-filled already, so you can do the rest of the colors. Now I'm gonna show you how to install these cartridges. You go to, this is the printer Workforce 7710. So you go to setting, go to maintenance, ink cartridge replacement, and start. Okay. Currently I'm using the Continue ink system, which is the regular dye ink. So I'm going to convert this printer to sublimation printing. I need to remove the system from the printer first. Okay, just pop out the cartridges like this and remove the tape, remove the tubing. Okay, take the ink reservoir out of the printer. And now I can install the cartridges. Open the lid. Let's do the black first. Until you hear a click. The second color is blue. And magenta, and yellow. Okay, so make sure you have the plug being closed, the refilling hole, and leave the air vents open. We just close the lid, then close the scanner unit. Okay, the printer will tell you are not install Epson cartridges, which is correct. So you click OK, and it will reading you have to read the messages, the quality and the reliability of the non-Epson cartridge will not guarantee blah blah blah. Then you just go to proceed. It will ask you continue use this ink, choose yes. It will say replacement is complete. Sometimes you will start printer initialization. It's about like a 3-minute process to charging ink. But for now, this printer, when you do the printing, you start that process. So because I used the dye ink first, now I'm going to use the sublimation ink. I need to do a couple of print head cleaning. So you go to setting, maintenance, and then print head cleaning. You do all colors and start. Okay, the printer head cleaning will clean up the regular dye ink from the printer head, and also charging the sublimation ink to the printer head, so you can do the sublimation printing. How to reset the cartridge? The estimation ink level will keep going down, and the printer will give you the low ink warning, and eventually will telling you the cartridge is running out, which it will give you the message called cartridge cannot be recognized. So basically, when you see that message, you just need to open the scanner unit, and the cartridge holder will move into the position you can replace it. What you need to do, just take the cartridge out, refill it, and put it back in. Then close the scanner unit. And this is the reset process. It will reset the estimation ink level to full again. It might give you message says low ink warning. You don't need to do anything with low ink, because that's the estimation. The printer doesn't really know how much ink left inside the cartridge. So you can just keep going until you see the cartridge cannot be recognized, the message. Then you do the reset. But very important, every time you take out the cartridges, and you better refill it, because it's really easy to forget when did you refill the cartridge. Sometimes the cartridge might go empty and still the ink level shows on the printer is full. So you cannot print with that empty cartridge. Alright, this is the way used for how to reset the cartridge. Thank you for watching.